Hi everyone, welcome back. Steven here. Today we are looking at the MZYML over-ear headphones. These are a noise-canceling Bluetooth headphone that includes a microphone, a really nice bit of kit. Let's get into the box and I'll show you what you get. All right, here we are at the workbench, taking a look at the noise-canceling over-ear wireless headphones. Let's get into the box. It's got some simple yet sturdy packaging. You can see some rigid cardboard holding it all together, and a nice manual for the quick start guide. Here we can see the soft padding of this very nice over-ear headphone set. They do fold for compact storage, and it comes with a USB-A to USB-C cable. So let's open that up. And it also comes with the standard 3.5mm audio jacks. The top portion of the headphones are rubberized, which feels pretty nice and smooth. It's not hard plastic at the top. You have some plastic on this side, rubberized component, hard plastic, soft cushion, ear portion. You can see on the edge here the controls, so Type-C charging and the noise canceling here, which these do nice noise canceling. The audio jack and up-down volume and play pause functions. All of the controls are located on what's designated as the right side earbud. There are no controls on the left. I like that kind of style because we're already coming to this from the frame of reference that this is a wireless device, but it can be used wired. And so having it wired only on one side makes the most sense between you and the device, as opposed to having two cables running down like the old style of headphones. These do also have a built-in high-definition microphone that ensures clear voice, intended for hands-free calls, so really nice for kind of home office or online meetings as I intend to use them. Both of the ear portions have a swivel, which I really like because all of our heads are shaped a little bit differently. And so this allows for both sizing adjustment from above to ear angle adjustment from below. So that's really nicely done. Now here we can see underneath the plus minus audio button there, our power button, 1, 2, 3, turns it on for us. And we can see a nice red light indicator and the alternation to a blue and red, letting you know it's ready for pairing. Now here we're going to enter our Bluetooth menu, and you can see DJ16 Pro. So we'll touch that one and connect to it. It connects immediately. And you can see as I push the minus, how it adjusts the volume on my phone down and up. So any of the Bluetooth enabled devices that you'd like to pair with this, you can. I'm showing this on an iPhone just for ease of use. So you can see how quickly that process is. You don't have to enter any kind of codes or anything like that to pair with the device. Now, if you have an adapter for, say, an iPhone, or you have a device that uses the standard 3.5mm jack, you can actually just plug that in and plug it directly into your device. You will never need to charge the headphones. This direct connection allows you to use the headphones for an unlimited amount of time, just like your standard older style non-Bluetooth headphones. So that's something I really appreciate. You know, if I'm sitting at my laptop for a long time and I don't really want to worry about charging, I don't really care if it's wireless or not, I just want to plug in, I can still do that. And that's one of the big benefits of this style of headphones, is you get kind of that dual functionality of being able to use them wirelessly when it's convenient to do so, and when you've got the bandwidth for adding some charging, although these do have a very long battery life. The battery life of these is a full 40 hours when not using the noise canceling. When you turn off the noise canceling, you get a verbal confirmation and a removal of the green light that noise canceling is off. So you'll have a 40-hour battery life with noise canceling off, and when you want to turn it back on, you get an audio message that says noise canceling on, and you get a green light there to tell you that. That'll reduce your battery life down to 25 hours. But you should still be able to get a full day of use even with all day noise canceling. So that's a really, really handy. They do offer USB-C charging, as I mentioned, and a full charge should be achieved within 2.5 hours. So you've got a 40-hour battery life with no noise canceling, 25 hours with noise canceling, and back to full charge in 2.5 hours. Really, really efficient. The sound quality is very nice. It's got the 40mm dual drivers, so you get kind of a nice, rich, balanced, and immersive sound experience with it as well. The cushions themselves offer quite a nice level of comfort. This does offer the latest Bluetooth connectivity. That's the Bluetooth 5.4. So you get that low latency performance, and it works well with Android and iOS devices. Overall, very nice bit of kit offered by MZYML. The combination of the long battery life, noise canceling, comfort features, and sound quality all make this a really nice option for headphones. In addition, the compact storage and folding is a really handy thing. When I put these in a backpack, for example, I'm not worried that they're going to be crushed. You know, this type of an arc allows for really nice storage. So not only is it compact, but if it is compressed within a bag, I think that this particular shape allows a significant amount of compression before anyone would worry about breakage. So very, very nice compact headphones for any kind of application, really. As always, I appreciate you for tuning into my reviews. Please don't forget to hit that like button. And hopefully this allows you to make a good decision about whether or not these headphones are right for you. Thanks again. Bye.